Do you have an early 2000s or 2010s Cayenne, Audi, or Volkswagen SUV? Has the mount around your drive shaft bearing gone out? Is your drive shaft making a bunch of noise? Are you concerned that this might happen? Here's a quick fix that I came up with. My name's Tad Simmons. I'm an engineer, and I've come up with this patent pending solution for just restoring the drive shaft back to its original strength and smooth operation. Just get my kit and remove the bad rubber that's disintegrated and get it fairly, just remove most of the rubber and then put in some of this mastic tape that adheres to the bearing and the bushing part that you're going to put in. Wrap this bushing in there, slide the bracket on, strap it in, bolt it back in, and you're on the road. Everything's good. So go ahead and click below. You can go to my Etsy shop, and there are more detailed instructions on how it fits in there and how to do it. And hope you enjoy. Thanks.